we have our head here, and here's the block that we glued these three pieces together, and then I've sanded this down. So we're going to put that inside for our neck piece. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put in my comments section. I'll get back with you. We'll glue this into place, and then I'll let this set all day to let it dry, and then we can come back and start to shave it down and round it down. Slide this in. Where it goes here. Make it even with these other two pieces. Okay, that's good. So now we'll just clamp this, let it set, and then we can start to round it down. There we go. Thanks for watching.